Meaning of gyro.
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 Giro. The term gyro has several meanings depending on the context. In financial terms, giro refers to an electronic payment system where funds are transferred from one bank account to another via a clearing system. It is commonly used in Europe and Asia as a quick and convenient way to pay bills, transfer salaries, or make purchases. The word gyro can also describe a circular path or route, often used in cycling and motorsport. Additionally, giro can refer to a type of check in Italy. Overall, giro has different meanings in different contexts, but it generally relates to finance and movement in a circular manner.